Welcome to boating on the River Maas between Visé-Eijsden and Maastricht. Free Wi-Fi is available over the whole route for a safe and enjoyable boat trip. Download the free app Boating Visé-Eijsden-Maastricht. This app guides you through some of the things you need to be aware of and watch out for while you're out on the water. Real-time localizes all the freight vessels in your area so you can avoid dangerous situations. Rules for locks and weirs. What to do when something happens. Safety first. GPS navigation on the water. Find the nearest marinas, restaurants or a beach. And for a quiet moment, read background information about the Maas region. No Wi-Fi, no problem. The app stores the latest information on your phone. The app is also available in French, English and German. An app for a safe trip and your personal guide on the water.